When it comes to athletic performance, there is this question of direct benefit to performance and then this indirect benefit. And at the moment, the evidence for direct benefits are limited in some respects, certainly in the initial stages of getting into ketosis, whether that's through fasting or whether it's the initial stage of induction of ketogenic diet. Most people seem to find the transition easier when they use an exogenous ketone supplement. To my mind, where there's also a major benefit, although the studies haven't been done yet, but this is the anecdote from a lot of people involved in professional sport, is that in recovery there seems to be a major benefit. And if there is a dose response to, say, performance or therapeutic or say recovery benefits of nutritional ketosis, having that little bump by using an exogenous ketone supplement might just provide that benefit. But I would say that's a might at the moment because the research hasn't been done. Jeff Volek's group that looked at the ketone supplement, they had keto naive and keto adapted individuals within that. The bump that they got in terms of BHB concentrations was similar between the groups. So there is that added effect of increasing concentrations of BHB if you're already on a ketogenic diet. So like I said, if there's a dose response that might be useful, that's where they would come in there.